Sammy, you're a dumb chick.
At least she's not tipping.
I know she's swimming.
Let her swim. Just wait until she tips. Let her swim. Work that way
Wait
up.
until she tips.
I want to see her tip.
No, seriously. Oh,
Sammy, you're too chubby.
she needs to work. Get some exercise.
I know.
Work off some of
It's
the...
all good for the heart.
Bless its heart.
She's like, no.
Baby, get in there. Cody, make him go wild again.
Yeah, she bumped into my leg.
Uh-oh, it's tipping.
I want to see her tip.
Oh. She's snorting after me, though.
Oh my gosh. Randy! Good, how are you?
I just saw Michelle. She said you guys might not be able to come over. You have a thing to go to today?
I'm taking a video.
I have to go to a bridal shower.
Oh, you do? Who's that girl?
No, not her.
Not her.
Puppy doggies.
Did she fall in or he put her in?
She fell.
She was running and she